It was wonderful, but it has always been wonderful. Every year, I was very happy to play on court number 1, and the atmosphere there is always great. I think it's because of the round shape. I took great pleasure playing in front of my public. I actually used my public, especially when sometimes it got a little difficult. I was able that I could count on my public to support me, and it felt great. And I can't wait now to move on to the next round and play again and hopefully give more pleasure to my public. It's not just I'm not making it up. I'm used to pushing myself and play long matches, but you know, when you play Grand Slam matches, I think I can tell my muscles get a bit harder. I didn't actually have cramps today, but I think I came close at one point, and I'm very happy I had no cramps and I was able to finish the match in good conditions. I'm very happy, obviously, but yes, you have a point. In the best case scenario, I could have played 40 minutes less. At 6-2, 5-3, I was on top of everything, and then she played very well. At 5-4, I still had a match point. And then I got a little tense. She was playing better, and I could tell the match was changing. The good thing is that in the third set, in spite of this lost match point, I was able to, you know, have a new momentum and do what I did in the first set and do it well. I was physically, it was a bit difficult, and mentally it was even more difficult because I just lost the previous set. But then the third set went well, and all in all, I think it was a good set. So good points and bad points, but that's always the case in tennis.